My gosh is all I can say. Amazing.
Are you flipping it?
Yes. So freaking incredible. Look at Casey taking her
I
pic.
am taking pictures.
Here's my excitement. Heck yeah!
Hold on. No.
What's your excitement? Looks like you have to poo your pants. It should
I
be-
don't know.
you
Like
should
I
be-
almost can't even put it into words.
Just
It's so
look at
cool.
it.
You know what it reminds me of, for all of you viewers, and this is gonna show how slightly lame I am. But it reminds me of when I was a little kid and I would sit on the lawn at Stone Mountain and I would wait and I would wait and then all of a sudden the lights would come on and they'd start the laser show.
This is
This
just
is
like,
like
the
on
laser
a
show.
grander, much less redneck scale.
Laser show. Wow, she compared this to the laser show. This is like New York. This is like New Year's Eve right now. That's what we're experiencing.
Ooh, that's a better analogy. Forget my Stone Mountain analogy.